Small, medium-sized firms have got three key questions to answer. How do we improve our brand and communicate our core values? How do we distinguish ourselves in what is really a crowded market? And how do we structure ourselves to ensure maximum agility? The examination of successful firms usually reveals some consistent themes: leadership, quality people doing quality work, and genuinely delighted clients.
It's the mix of having the breakout sessions and the formal presentations, and having the panel discussions is quite unique.
It's a lot better than presentations all day long. The reason being is that you're not only having bites of information, it's all in different formats.
It's the targeted group of people, we're all in similar sized law firms, all facing the same kind of problems. So today it's about the right target group, the right mix of people and the right mix of speakers.
Trying to change the way we do things, trying to change the structure of the business.
What's the breakdown with regard to financial reporting and legal practice reporting?
It's good that firms are reporting those to us because we've been able to work with firms to work through those difficulties.
One of the best bits of information from today is the Colf and Coper information, because it's very relative at the moment.
What's more important there is to look at the root cause of that. So why has it happened a number of times?
I thought the speakers have been really good quality. People who obviously know what they're talking about and can bring new information that perhaps I wouldn't have been able to glean from, say, internet research or anything like that.
It's absolutely unique because it's aimed directly at practice managers rather than other managers or owners of the business.
As an office manager, it's nice to be able to come to an event where there are lots of other people acting in a similar capacity.
It's really asking people what they're doing and how they're doing it, so the workshops kind of facilitate that.
They just announced that apparently they don't make enough money out of us.
Some of those sessions encourage more feedback than others. I think it suits everybody in different ways.
One of the discussions I'm about to go to is about how you change behaviours in long-serving partners or employees, and how you promote change and culture.
Are we losing our way because of a lack of guidance, if you like, which I'm sure will come out in the next year or so?
I think it's an excellent way of meeting people in the same situation, perhaps crying on each other's shoulders.
Basically to know that other people are going through some of the same problems and issues that you have in your day-to-day work.
I take Richard's point, but how do we as firms find out?
Doing the Law Society seminars, and as part of that,
I think everybody's got the similar issues. The PI session towards the end of the afternoon has shown that everybody's got new things to take on board and new application forms and new issues to deal with.
By being completely honest, do you know, I think when I've done that, I've probably won the business, 8 times out of 10.
From finance to levering profitability to new IT solutions, how you can manage and motivate people. There really is something for everybody here.
How do you persuade your £500,000 per annum fee earner to take an assistant on?
The stream choices are very varied, and it made it quite difficult to actually choose which streams to do, because I probably would have liked to attend 2 or 3 more of them.
It's all about finding the right person, because you can't shoehorn someone in who's not going to fit.
Some of the comments made about how you can influence change and people's behaviour to change have been good. And I think what I've learned from other people sitting around the table at lunchtime is that you might like to get things done next week, but in reality you're going to have to expect a lot longer before some of these things change for good.
One of the things I'm going to take back is the apprenticeship scheme and see how we can work that into the firm and give young people a start into the legal industry.
We operate primarily on a fixed fee structure, and one of the suggestions was a profit share capped fee. That's something I'd never heard of before, and something that I would definitely suggest when I get back to work.
If someone was wanting to come to the event next year, I'd definitely recommend it. This is my 2nd year here, and I've learnt something every time.
It's been a very valuable day, and being able to sit around with other people and talk to them has been very useful as well.
I would say any person that's responsible for managing a law firm, which is small to medium size, should be here.
Don't think about it, just come.